Welcome my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about sexual reproduction. Okay, so sexual reproduction means the fusion of two types of gametes. Fusion of two types of gametes. Okay, these two types means one male and another female. These two type of gametes fuse together to form a diploid zygote. Okay. So this process we call as sexual reproduction. So in sexual reproduction, two parents involved. Two parents are involved. Each parent they produce one kind of gamete. So one male parent produce male gamete, female parent produce female gamete. These two gamete fuse together to form a diploid zygote. From the diploid zygote, it develops as a young ones. Okay, so this process is called as sexual reproduction. So the sexual reproduction produce genetic variation. It produce genetic variations in this species, in any species. So sexual reproduction மூலமா என்ன நடக்கும் அப்படின்னா இந்த மாதிரி sexual reproduction நடக்கும்போது நிறைய genetic variations உருவாகும். எந்த ஒரு ஸ்பீஷீஸையும் நம்ம எடுத்துக்கிட்டாலும் அந்த ஸ்பீஷீஸ்ல எதெல்லாம் இந்த sexual reproduction பண்ணுதோ அதெல்லாம் நிறைய வேரியேஷன்ஸ் இருக்கறத நம்மளால பார்க்க முடியும். ஸோ அதுக்கு காரணமாக இருக்கிறது இந்த செக்ஷுவல் reproduction. ஓகே, ஸோ இந்த செக்ஷுவல் reproductionல ரெண்டு டைப்ஸ் இருக்கு. இதோடைய டைப்ஸ் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோமா ரெண்டு டைப். ஒன்று சிங்காமி ஆர் ஃபெர்டிலைசேஷன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ரெண்டாவது கான்ஜுகேஷன். First one is syngamy, second one is conjugation. So these are all two types of sexual reproduction. So நம்ம first பார்க்க போறது syngamy. Okay, the syngamy அப்படிங்கிறது it also called as fertilization, the fusion of two gametes, male gamete plus female gamete, the fusion of two haploid gametes to form a diploid zygote. So it is called syngamy or fertilization. So this syngamy it also called as fertilization. So based on the place where the fertilization takes place, it also divided into two types. Based on that, where the fertilization takes place. Okay, first one is external fertilization. Second one is internal fertilization. Okay, the external fertilization, in this type the fertilization takes place outside of the female body. So outside of the female body, outside the environment. Okay, and so this kind of fertilization we call as external. So external means outside of the body, outside of the female body. So we call this external fertilization. So this type of fertilization we can see in some of organisms like frogs. Okay, frogs, sponges, Okay, these organisms, fishes, some fishes. So these are all the example organisms. They shows external fertilization. The fertilization takes place in outside of the female body. The next one is internal fertilization. Sorry. In this method, the fertilization takes place within the body, within the female body. We call it as internal fertilization. So fertilization takes place within the female body. For example, mammals, reptiles. So these organisms are exhibit at internal fertilization. So the fusion of male and female gametes takes place within the female body. So we call it as internal fertilization. Okay. Next, types of syngamy. Okay, fusion of two gametes we call as syngamy or fertilization, and they also have different kinds. Okay, different types of syngamy. Okay, first one is autogamy. Autogamy. So autogamy means certain organisms, they produce both male and female gametes. Male and female gametes are produced from same cell or same organism. Both male and female gametes are produced from same cell or same organisms. These gametes are involved in fertilization to produce a zygote, and from the zygote the young ones are developed. This type of fertilization we call as autogamy. Okay. For example, at paramecium. Okay. Paramecium. So paramecium shows this type of fertilization, autogamy. Second one is exogamy. In this type, the gametes, male and female gametes are produced from two different organisms. Two different organisms are produced, male and female gametes. They involve in fertilization to produce the young ones. This type of syngamy we call as exogamy. Okay. Example, mammals. Males are produced a male gamete, females are produced or female gamete. So these two different organisms to produce two different gametes. This type we call as exogamy. Okay. And some other types also we can see in lower organisms. In lower organism, we can see some other types like pedogamy and merogamy, isogamy, hologamy, like that. Okay. And third one we are going to see hologamy. So in this type, the matured organism cannot produce a gamete, but the young ones, the matured organisms also behave as a gametes to involve in fertilization. Okay. The matured organism not produce. Okay, the matured organisms not produce gametes. The matured organisms behave as a gametes. The organism, ஒரு மெச்சூர்டான ஆர்கானிசம் கேமெட்டை ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணாமல் அந்த ஆர்கானிசமே கேமெட்டாக மாறி ஃபெர்டிலைசேஷன்ல இன்வால்வ் ஆகி ஒரு யங் ஒன்ஸை ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆச்சுன்னா அந்த டைப் தான் ஹோலோகேமி அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்றோம். ஸோ ஒரு ஆர்கனிசம் டெவலப் ஆகி அது மெச்சூரிட்டி அடைஞ்சதும் அது ஒரு கேமெட்ஸை ஃபார்ம் பண்ணும். அந்த கேமெட் தான் ஃபெர்டிலைசேஷன் ஆகும். ஆனால் ஒரு சில ஆர்கனிசத்தில் அந்த ஆர்கனிசம் மெச்சூர்டு ஆர்கனிசமே கேமெட்டா பிஹேவ் பண்ணி அது ஃபெர்டிலைசேஷன் இன்வால்வ் ஆகி யங் ஒன்ஸை ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணும். அந்த டைப் தான் ஹோலோகேமி அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்லுவோம். ஓகே, ஸோ அதுதான் ஹோலோகேமி. ஓகே, தென் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஹோலோகேமிக்கு பீடோகேமி. பீடோகேமி. ஸோ இந்த பீடோகேமி அப்படிங்கன்னா certain individuals, okay, the young ones or young individuals are involved in fertilization immediately after producing from the parent organism by mitosis. So young individuals, so ஒரு parent organismத்துல இருந்து மைட்டாசிஸ் மூலமா, so இந்த ஆர்கனிசம் எப்படி உருவாது, மைட்டாசிஸ் மூலமா, from mitosis the parent organisms to divide to produce young individuals and immediate after to producing young individuals. So immediate ஒரு young individuals produce ஆன உடனேவே they act as a gametes. Okay, they act as a gametes, they involve in fertilization. So this type of fertilization we call as pedogamy. The young individuals are divided from a parent body by mitosis. They involve in fertilization. They act as a gametes. So we call as pedogamy. That pedogamy அப்படி நம்ம சொல்லுவோம். Next merogamy. So merogamy means small sized gametes to merogamy. Okay, mero means micro gametes. The gametes are very smaller in size. Okay, so these gametes are involved in fertilization, we call as merogamy. Okay, and next one is isogamy. So isogamy means a same sized gametes. Iso means same, so same size. Okay, structurally and functionally or physiologically. Structurally and physiologically same gametes. Okay, same type of gametes are involved in fertilization to produce young ones, we call as isogamy. Small size microgametes are involved in fertilization, we call as merogamy. And last one, anisogamy. Okay, anisogamy. So iso na same, pan na without same. Okay, without same gametes. Okay, two different type of gametes, structurally and functionally two different gametes are involved in fertilization, we call as anisogamy. Two different gametes, both structurally and physiologically. Both of them are different. Okay, so these gametes are involved in fertilization, we call as anisogamy or anisogamy. Okay, for example, humans. So humans are